with Training Plus Merseyside. Today we delivered a focus workshop. Our focus workshop, the learning outcomes were to set out a correct environment for yourself so you could really focus. To focus, and how do you experience that in the body? How do you deal with distractions as people disrupt your work? How do you reset? How do you refocus? And above all, how do you use the circles of attention to help you direct yourself back to that golden spot where you're totally focused? My name is John Bullock. I'm known as Mr. Flow, Pain Point Coach. You can find me on www.painpointcoach.co.uk or email me on win@painpointcoach.co.uk.